So I got this to the post today. Zotac Gaming Trinity RTX 4090. Quite excited to try this out. I've been without a GPU for about a month. Actually, that's not true. I've been using a RX 6500 XT from AMD for the last couple of weeks. It's been a total disaster. Just seems my PC just cannot play nicely with that GPU. So I'm glad this has arrived. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's get this open down here. Nice. Box feels quite heavy. I'll just get whatever's in here out of the case. Out of the box, I mean. Can't stop properly. There we are. We've got this. Love gaming. Power the win. And then we have the actual GPU in here. Let's get this open. So this. Keep it firm inside the system. Power adapter. I am waiting for a cable mods order coming through the middle of November. I've heard there's been quite a few problems with these, but I don't know. I think it'll be fine. I think I'll try and get it as straight as possible and keep an eye on the system. And this is what you get with it. Now the big boy. Ooh. Here we are. That's quite a heavy card. So you can see, nice and very thick. It comes with all these. Remove this sticker. Let's see, what does it say here? Let's have a closer look. Please only use separate power cables for each power. Yep. Fair enough. Let's get this off. Oof. Gonna have to clean that off. Not very nice. Wow. This thing is big. When you look at it this way. I'm not sure, but I think it could be bigger than my 3090 Ti, which I had before. See the heat pipes, contact. I'll swap over to the actual fans. This side, nice. Very feels premium. Plenty of connections for your monitor, TV, whatever. So yeah, this is the 4090 Trinity from Zotac. I've heard some complaints about fan noise, but we'll see. Take care. Bye bye.